ourselves a place under this new sun. In addition to our glorious past, we must also see before us a bright future in the new day of Christ, with the liberating principles of Him who said of Himself, "Behold, I make all things new." And every Christian soul is invited in Christ to eternally renew itself and to reveal in itself the newness of Christian life. For you do not pour new wine into old wineskins, otherwise the skins will burst, the wine will pour out, and the wineskins will be ruined. Instead, new wine is poured into new wineskins, and thereby both are preserved. Therefore, nothing by virtue of its being may stagnate and become old and lapse into the burden of old habits and turn into lifeless forgetfulness. And precisely today, at the beginning of my new life, of my